Okay, we're going to put the manifold on.
Now, it's been remachined to be nice and flat, but I'm not sure about two things. This is the hardware I pulled off. I already cleaned out the threads on the studs, and in the head. I didn't clean these. Just spin them together with each other real quick just to see. Well, that's not very good. Let's try it on the stud here. Alright. That bolt sucks. Or nut. Okay. This nut seems okay. This nut seems okay. That one actually looks chewed up. I think I'll just trash that one. This one that I had to cut short, I actually didn't end up having to cut it short, but this one that I have cut short unnecessarily. That one's fine. Alright. This threaded stud. Oh, yeah, that seems good. And this threaded stud. Yeah, okay, those are good. So it's this one that's bad. Nice. I wonder if the ones off the QG are the same. Well, I'm gonna have to dig to find them. They're way in there. I don't know. I think I have some extra hardware on the shelf. That doesn't look right. No, that's not right. Type of hardware. That's trash. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. That'll get me by. One thing of mild concern is the gasket. The one that goes on it is these 4 individual gaskets, and the one that comes with these manifolds is a single piece. And I mean, I could see one reason why I would really prefer it, because I'm looking at three cylinders that these aren't going to stay put. All right. So I may need to go now to the store to buy some. Oh wait, is that why that tab is there? So that you can stick your finger in. I'll bet you that's it. So you can hold it up with your hand. Ah, that's dumb. Okay, well, I can find it stupid, but there's not really anything I can do about it. Yeah. Okay. This is going to be comical. 1, 2. Am I short on studs? 1, 2. Yep. Shoot. I don't have enough studs for this job. Well, this is most unfortunate. Yeah, I don't have enough to do this. Okay, time for me to go shopping.